Hello friends and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today I'm going to show you a nice and beautiful recipe which is known as pork chili. And to do this recipe, let's go ahead start it. So here I have got some 800 grams of pork. I've already cut into small chunks pieces over here. I've washed it and drained the water completely. I'm going to add some salt here for seasoning. 1 whole tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, and 5 cloves. Let's marinate all this well together. After keeping the marination for 15 minutes, now I'm going to transfer the meat into a pressure cooker. And in here, I'm going to add only 100 ml of water because the meat will release its water at time of pressure cooking. So now let's go and pressure cook this meat for 2 to 3 whistles. So after cooking for 3 whistles, I see there's still some water left. I'm going to cook this until the whole water is completely dissolved. Now in a separate wok, take 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to add 4 to 5 garlic cloves finely chopped, 1 bay leaf. Now let's saute this for 30 seconds. Now let's add some green chilies. So now we're going to add the meat in here. So here I will remove the whole spices which are there, so it doesn't get mixed with this. All the whole spices that we added, I'm going to take them off. Now let's fry this for 3 to 4 minutes. So all this time I've been cooking on a medium flame. Now it's the time to add some onion. I've cut into chunk and I'm going to cook this now on a high flame. Now I'm going to add a little bit pepper, which is capsicum. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now I'm going to add 3/4 tablespoon of soya sauce. And here I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. This is a portion of 2 tablespoons of ketchup that I've used now. At this point, now we can check if we need some salt to add. If not, then we just can carry on with the dish. Now let's add a little bit of spring onion. So friends, our pork chili is ready now. If you liked our recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.